Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today's recipe will be loved by everyone as it is the recipe of very delicious yet very simple cake. The name of the recipe is walnut cake and it can be made with very few ingredients that you already have in your houses. The ingredients required for this recipe are 1 cup refined flour or maida, 1 cup caster sugar or granulated sugar, 1 cup of any flavorless oil or butter, 4 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and half cup of chopped walnuts. If you don't want to add walnuts to your cake, you can totally omit these and make a plain vanilla cake instead. So in a large bowl, we'll add our oil, and caster sugar, and we'll beat it till it's mixed. So now the sugar has been mixed in oil. Now we'll add eggs and vanilla essence. And we're going to beat it till it is light and fluffy. So now you all can see that eggs have become light and fluffy, and now it's time to add maida and baking powder. But before that, we'll just take out 1 teaspoon of maida from the bowl and put it over the walnuts. This step is done because walnuts are a bit heavy, and if we do them like this, they'll settle at the bottom. But if we mix them up with a little bit of maida, they won't sink to the bottom. So just a teaspoon is good enough, and we'll add maida and the baking powder. Just give it a good mix, and maida has been sifted 2 to 3 times. Be sure to sift the maida so that there are no impurities or no lumps in it. Very lightly and very gently you have to mix this with the help of a spatula. And now we add rest of the maida. And mix it very lightly. So now you can see that it has been mixed perfectly. Look at the consistency. And now it's time to add the walnuts. We'll reserve a few for the garnish, for topping it up. I've taken a baking tin and greased it with oil. After that, I've lined it with parchment paper or baking paper, and we'll pour the batter into this tin for baking. So I've poured the batter into the tin and just tap it once or twice so that any air bubbles, if there are, they can escape, and we'll top it up with the reserved walnuts. And now we'll bake this cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a knife or a skewer comes out clean. So our cake is out of the oven. Look at the beautiful color of the cake, and it is absolutely super delicious. In order to check whether our cake has been baked or not, take a skewer and insert it in the middle of the cake. It comes out clean. It means that the cake has been perfectly baked. I really can't wait to eat it, but we'll have to wait until it cools and then we unmold it. So I've unmolded the cake and let me show you the inside of the cake as well. Just take a look how spongy, how soft the cake is, and it is very delicious. This recipe of cake is by my Nanima. Whenever we used to go to her house in our school holidays, she used to bake this cake for all of us and we absolutely love this. So please try this recipe at home. I'm sure everyone in your family will love this for sure. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.